Unfortunately, just stretching out, getting a massage is not sufficient for that. The only thing that will get the spine functioning better is going to be an adjustment. The adjustment reduces the subluxation, gets the mobility in the spine, shifts the tension off the spine and nerve, so everything works better. Within about half a dozen visits, patients start to see a major improvement in their symptomatology. All that headaches, neck pain, shoulder pain, low back pain starts from, a chronic, constant symptomatology to much less severity and less frequency. Having a well-designed home care plan is very important, especially for long-term results when you're dealing with a back problem.